Be attending the University of Southern Mississippi, where she will be majoring in kinesiotherapy. Joseph Whitley will be attending Mississippi State University, where he will be an economics major. Benjamin Sue will be attending the University of South Alabama, where he will be a chemical engineering major. Blake Lewis will be attending the University of Mississippi, where he will be a computer sciences major. And last but certainly not least, Rachel Cross will be attending Mississippi College, where she will be a biology/pre-med major. Go Greyhound Nation.
Mr. Ronald Roberts, Pascagoula High.
Thank you. It's indeed a pleasure to be here to honor and assist these students in such a unique way. The top 10% of the class of 2014 at Pascagoula High School are not only great academic students, but they are great young men and women of character. We are very, very proud of them. Drew Ford will attend Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College, then Mississippi State, and he plans on majoring in business. Austin Clark plans to attend Samford University and major in radiology. Monty Smith plans to attend Colin Community College and major in engineering. Kenneth Holloway plans to attend Millsaps and major in biology and pre-med. Jerry Jackson will attend Mississippi State University and major in chemical engineering. Morgan Billingsley will attend Southern Mississippi and major in nursing. Cassie Bradley will attend the University of Mississippi and major in accounting. Evan Ash will attend Ole Miss and major in nuclear physics. Carly Torgeson will attend the University of Southern Mississippi and major in nursing. Hannah Rayburn will also attend the University of Southern Mississippi and major in nursing. Jasmine Cabello will attend Millsaps College and later Harvard University, where she plans on being a biochemistry and pre-med engineer. Abigail Perez will attend the University of South Alabama and major in biomedical science. Lisa Fulkerson will attend the University of Southern Mississippi and major in polymer science. Megan Parrish will attend East Central Community College and major in chemical engineering. Abigail Young will attend the University of Mobile and major in psychology and art. Zachary Denmark will attend University of Mississippi. His major is undeclared at this time. Randall Bates will attend Mississippi State and major in wildlife veterinary medicine. Rachel Wilkinson will attend the University of Mississippi and major in economics. Cassidy Vogel will attend MGCCC and major in mechanical engineering. We may be here a while. This is Corley Reynolds. He plans to attend East Mississippi Community College and then go on to a four-year school, either Yale, Harvard, or undecided, and major in business.
Miss Kay McKenna, Resurrection High.
Good evening. While our students are making it up here, again, I'd like to thank the community, the Chamber of Commerce, Mrs. Desher and Dr. Desher for this program. It's a wonderful opportunity for local scholarships that doesn't often come around, so thank you. We have 34 graduates this year, so this is our top 10%. Margaret Hill. We call her Maggie, and she has decided. She's had several offers made, and it was a tough decision, I'm sure. Ole Miss is her choice, and she will major in biochemistry. Congratulations. Victoria Burrow. She had several offers as well, and she didn't take my advice. She's going to the University of Mississippi, Ole Miss, for international studies. Congratulations, Victoria. Madison Frazier, we call her Maddie, and she had several offers as well and has chosen Mississippi College, where she will major in pharmacy, and she'll play volleyball as well. Thank you.